What's going on, guys? Archie King here for another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a rebuild of the Traxxas /404 Platinum Edition. In the first part of the series, which is this episode, next week we'll actually be getting down and dirty. I'm just going to be talking about what we're changing, what upgrades we're doing, and yeah, so let's get into it. So these are some parts we got for the rebuild. We got 2 new sets of the RPM arms because the front right arm on the slash, it was broken, and then the other ones, the arms were more than 2 years old, so the holes where the screws go in were like stripped because of the amount of times I've taken putting them in and out, and sometimes they would just come loose even on normal driving. Another thing we got is a captain string retainer for the GTR shocks, because we need one of these because one of these broke. So we need some of these pivot balls because I lost one. And then this is also for the GTR shocks. It's the bottom rod end part. That's also why we need the ball, because one of those broke and the ball came out. And then we also are gonna be putting a new rod end on on the front left sway bar, because that also is worn out. So all these parts are basically just parts that are worn out and we need to replace, because these cars are more than a year old and parts tend to wear down after a bit. So you just have to replace them every so often, like these parts. Not so much the arms. The arms don't normally do that, but I guess I take my car apart a lot. So yeah, and even with lots of care and maintenance, these parts will still wear down after a bit. So yeah, guys, let's show you what else we're doing. So the last couple rebuilds, I put 6,000 in the rear diff and 5,000 in the front. This time we're going for a lot thicker. We're doing 30,000 in the rear and 20,000 in the front. We're also hopefully going to be putting 80 weight instead of 60 weight in the shocks. My local hobby shop just didn't have 80 weight, so I'm going to have to specially order that, or get him to specially get it from the warehouse for me, because apparently that's really heavy and not many people use that, so he doesn't keep that in stock. So we're going to be getting some of that. So that's the setup changes we're going to be doing. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys don't know how I normally rebuild my cars. I rebuild them every 6 months, completely tear them apart, perfectly clean them, make them look brand new, make sure they're running well, check all the bearings, re-oil the bearings. So that's what I will be doing in this series. But yeah, so right now it's very dirty. It was pretty hard on the car this summer. Just put some footage right now of showing what I did this summer with the car. I wasn't super active on YouTube and Instagram, but I was still actually going out and having fun with the hobby. I wasn't just completely leaving the hobby. I'm still in it, guys. I'm just taking a break from YouTube. But now I'm back. I believe we're going to be back for a bit. Not 100% sure. We're going to be back on weekly schedule, but I'll definitely be posting videos more frequently now. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and stay tuned, because I think for the next like 3 or 4 weeks I'll actually have videos coming out every single Monday. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
So long, farewell, goodbye. 7 days, 7 nights.